Okay boys, I got something I want to show you. Basically, I installed a pyrometer and boost gauge on this 12-valve Dodge. Took me at least 2 hours. When I started, it started raining, so I was unable to film anything. I was in a hurry. I'll show you where I hooked everything up. I hooked the light wires to the illumination with the added circuit, and my power to the pyrometer is on the power door lock, so everything works. Lights turn on. Run everything through this firewall. And when I started this, I was going to separate the turbo from the manifold so I could start it up and blow all the shavings out, but that'd take too long. First thing I did was establish the divider right here and went slightly to the left. I marked my hole with the punch. Then I used the smallest drill bit and worked my way up to the 21/64. When I was done, I took a long screwdriver and magnetized it, stuck it down the hole, got almost all the shavings out. Then I used a vacuum cleaner to get the rest of it out. I started tapping my hole, going forward and backwards, doing that off and on. I took it out, cleaned it again, and loaded it back up with grease. Done it a second time, getting deeper and deeper. I took it out and cleaned it again, loaded up with more grease, and I done it for a third time. It's got some pretty good depth to it. Okay, for the boost gauge, all you gotta do is remove a plug from here and put your fitting right here. Make sure you use some tape. I don't want to bend this tube, so that's the way I put it. Make sure there's no kinks. See if the old Dodge will start.